Welcome to Pat's Picks. Thanks for coming by. If you're here for the $20 challenge, welcome. That's what I'm going to be focusing on this channel for the time moving forward. Um, and the whole goal of this is to grow my small $20 account. That's right, $20 I'm starting with. I think it was $20.18. And I'm growing that to as far as I want to take it. I don't have an end goal in mind. I just want to take it one step at a time, compounding goals. And I want to teach anyone that watches this video how I did it. But I'm going to keep it very simple because I will be uploading every day, and this is going to be time consuming to put this all together. So again, thanks for coming by. Let's get right into it. So today I traded SPY, and that's what I will be focusing on probably for the entire duration of this video. I like to stick to one thing. It's easier to teach that. It's easier to learn the one thing, and once you can get good at learning one pattern on a stock, you can kind of take that knowledge and experience and dabble into other areas, which is very useful, especially if it's a slow day in the market. You can kind of find different stocks that are moving, even if the market is generally flat. But anyways, what I traded today was 1 day till expire. So today is January 3rd, as of the time of filming, and I traded a contract expiring on January 4th. I bought the 371 puts, and if you take a look at, sorry, this is the actual contract chart, which I will come back to. You can see this gold arrow right here, right there, down there, is my entry point. If you look at the minute chart, it's a little more precise. And my whole goal here, I was looking for a break below, excuse me, I was looking for that break below 384.34 and for it to kind of hold that. And it gapped up pre-market, and so I was just looking for weakness. After this spike, I considered entering here, but since it's such a small account, it's not worth the risk if it would have kept running. So what I did, I waited for that trend and waited for it to confirm, saw the break right here, and that's when I took my entry. I think I was only not profitable for just a small amount of time. I think I was maybe down 5% at the worst case scenario. And then I sold, I believe, right here, and it was a nice 75% gain. So I bought at 12 and I sold at $21. Excuse me. And you can look here. My entry was at, sorry, going back and forth a little bit. Oh, silly me. I have the timestamps right here. So you can see my entry. It's all just this me, part of me being transparent. You can see I entered at 9:53. Okay, cut all of that out. Okay, so I entered right here at 9:53, right about here, and then I sold up here at $21, and it peaked at 24 at the time. And then I walked away, and that was the only trade I made for today. I was very satisfied with making 75% on a trade. That left me with about $9 of buying power, which is not a lot, especially with options. I wouldn't recommend starting with less than 20. It can get very risky. I mean, as you saw with this example, I could have started with 12 and turned that into 21. But you don't want to count on that. So this is the $20 challenge because I think that's a great, very small amount. I wouldn't start with less than that. In case you lose on the first trade, because none of this is guaranteed. But you just want to time everything out right and make the odds go in your favor as much as possible. There's no guarantees, but you can find patterns and make things go a lot more in your favor. So as you can see, I didn't hold it for too long. Was about a half hour from 9:53 to 10:20, and I was done for the day. And that put my account up 42%. So it started at 20, now it's at 29.98, almost a 30. So I'm very happy about that. The account's almost up 50% already. So that's a great day. So that's day one of the $20 challenge. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I know this is pretty vague, but I'm just trying to cover some small details, as this is basically a journal video diary of this crazy long challenge that's going to be. So thanks for coming by. Please like and subscribe, and follow along. It's going to be fun. So I'll be posting again tomorrow. Likely I'll be posting these in the morning. So they'll kind of be lagging a day behind. from the actual market, but it is what it is. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for coming by. I hope you're staying happy and healthy. I'll see you next time.